Let us now do this module together. How do you say the word cow in Arabic? The word cow in Arabic means بقرة. So the word cow means, repeat it with me, بقرة. And this is how it is written. Then, how do you say the word buffalo in Arabic language? The word buffalo means جاموسة. جاموسة. So the word buffalo means جاموسة. And this is how it is written. Then how do you say the word ox in Arabic? The word ox in Arabic means Thor. Thor. So the word ox in Arabic means Thor. And this is how it is written.